Good Thursday evening to you. Richard Scott here with the forecast update, the latest on Tropical Storm Nate and our local impacts here in Alabama. Lots certainly to talk about with this system. Now, Nate is beginning to move off the coast of Honduras. It moved over the Central America region just for about 12 hours or so. Now it's starting to move back over the water now. This recording at 10:45 on this Thursday night. I want you to note the last few images of the frame the satellite. Look at the convection wrapping around the center again as it begins to move back into the warm waters of the Western Caribbean. That is indicative of signs of some organization. This thing will likely strengthen pretty quickly once it moves back over the Caribbean over the next few hours and into the overnight hours. Here is the track from the National Hurricane Center. This comes to a point near Cancun, the very northeastern tip of the Yucatan, sometime Friday evening. It's a strong tropical storm, perhaps a weak hurricane. That's not out of the question. It becomes a hurricane over the Gulf and then turns north and then eventually northeast as it comes into the coast of southeast Louisiana. Early Sunday morning, looks like we'll make landfall somewhere near the mouth of the Mississippi River or perhaps the Mississippi Gulf Coast, then sling northeast into West Alabama by Sunday evening. 7 o'clock Sunday, the National Hurricane Center has winds still at 50 miles per hour at a point near Fayette. Again, this could change some. The track could easily shift back to the west or back to the east. But again, that's the latest track from the National Hurricane Center. And then quickly moves out by Monday. It's well to our northeast. So this is going to be a quick hitting event for our local weather. So what are we talking about in terms of winds? The maximum wind gusts could be between 30 and 50 miles per hour for West Alabama in that orange shaded area. There could be some power outages. I can't rule that out. That is certainly a possibility. Sunday into Sunday night. After midnight Sunday night, conditions quickly improve with just some rain lingering behind. All right, what about rainfall amounts? We're looking at about 2 to 4 inches for all of West Alabama. There could be a strip of heavier rain depending on where the track exactly moves across Alabama, with 1 to 2 inches further east over portions of East Alabama. Tonight things are again pretty quiet across Alabama, but I want to show you this. This is the forecast over the next 7 days. Again, tomorrow, Friday, no problems at all. Saturday, clouds will increase. I do expect a chance for rain developing later in the day on Saturday, primarily after lunch. Sunday, a lot of rain, some wind, and again, there could be some power outages. This is not going to be like Hurricane Ivan that hit our area back in 2004 or the effects we had with Hurricane Katrina. This is going to be much less than that, but understand the wind will be elevated enough to cause some trees to come down, maybe some power outages, especially over West Alabama, depending on the exact track of that storm. Monday, still going to have some rain showers around. This is going to be this convergence axis looks like could be left behind the storm. So there may be occasional light rain or some showers on Monday. Tuesday, though, I do expect dry conditions to begin to move in. Still a chance for a couple of showers Tuesday and Wednesday. And temperatures will modify just a bit, highs back in the mid-80s. Lots of updates. I do want to remind you online on Facebook, Twitter, also our weather blog. If you go over to WVUA23.com and you click on the weather blog, also you can find our Facebook and Twitter information there. We'll have updates as the storm does approach our local area.